Hey everyone! Today we will learn about current and voltage division. In a circuit, series resistors have the same current flowing through them but different voltages. Voltage division can help to find the voltages of those individual resistors without going through long analysis. The equation shows the equation for voltage division. V is the source voltage of the series resistors and uppercase N is the number of resistors. Rn and Vn represent the resistance and voltage of one of the resistors in series. In the circuit, the source voltage of the series resistors is V1. Using that and the voltage division equation, we can find the individual voltages. Resistors in parallel make use of current division. This is because they have the same voltages but different currents. The equation here shows current division. I is the source voltage of the series resistors and uppercase N is the number of resistors. Rn and In represent the resistance and current of one of the resistors in parallel. In the circuit, the source current of the parallel resistors is I emitting from the voltage source. To find the current of the individual resistors, we will make use of the source current and the equation. Here's what we get. This is an example explaining the division of current and voltage. Find V1, I1, V2 and I2. Also calculate the power supplied by the 12 ohms and 40 ohms resistor. Resistor 2 and resistor 1 share nodes A and B, so they are in parallel. Same for resistor 3 and resistor 4. They share node B and C. Equivalent resistor 1 and 2 share node B, so they are in series. Now find the current. We know that 1.25 amps flows through the 15 volts voltage source. It also flows through the 4 and 8 ohms resistors. To find the individual currents of each resistors, use voltage division. Now we know that the voltage in the 4 ohms resistor is 5 volts. Because the resistors that make up the 4 ohms resistors are the parallel combination of resistor 2 and resistor 1, the voltages are the same as the voltage of the 4 ohms resistor. Both 5 volts. We also know that the voltage in the 8 ohms resistor is 10 volts. The resistors that make up the 8 ohms resistor are the parallel combination of resistor 4 and resistor 3, the voltages are the same as the voltage of the 8 ohms resistor. Both 10 volts. Now we will use current division to find I1 and I2. Remember, we found the source current of the sets of resistors in parallel to be 1.25 amps. Now we can use that and the current division equation to find I1 and I2. We now know the currents and voltages. We can find the powers of the 12 ohms resistor P1 and the 40 ohms resistor P2. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening. Till next time.